Hello students, in the previous session we discussed the introduction of arithmetic progression. Now I am going to teach the problems in arithmetic progression. First let us recall the definition for arithmetic progression and term. What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. That is the definition for AP. Next one, term. What is term actually? Each number in a list is called a term. Here first problem, write the four terms of the AP. A value is given and the common difference also given. One AP value, AP list is given and the first term is actually we have to take, that is A, and the common difference is D. Here write the four terms of the AP. What is the general form of an AP? Actually A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. These are the general form of a AP. Okay. Here A value is given and the D value also given. We have to find the four terms of the AP. So first we have to calculate the first term is given, that is A, that is 10. Next one A plus D. So 10 plus 10. Next A value plus 2 into D value. A value is 10. Plus 2 of D value also 10. The next term A plus 3D. So we have to write 10 plus 3 of 10. Okay, etc. So the first value 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 3 into 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. Okay, these are the first four terms of an AP. This is A value, A plus D value, A plus 2D value, A plus 3D value. Okay. The next subdivision, what is given? A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 3. The same procedure we have to follow. We have to make a list A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, comma, A plus 3D, etc. Okay. The first value, A value is 4. A plus D. So 4 plus of minus 1. Next one 4 plus 2 of minus 1. Next one 4 plus 3 of minus 1. Okay. 4 comma 4 minus 1 3. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 2. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 4 minus 3 1. These are the first four terms of a AP. Next problem, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write three more terms. First subdivision 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. What is our question? First we have to check the given values form an AP. Suppose it form an AP, we have to calculate the common difference and write three more terms. Okay. Our first question is 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. First we are going to check the given values form an AP or not. Okay. Actually this is first value A1, A2, A3, A4. How can we check the given values form an AP? When the second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term, that time the given values form an AP. Because that time only the common difference are equal. Okay. So we have to take A1 value is 2, A2 value is 4. And A3 value is 8. These are the given values. Okay. First we have to check A2 minus A1. That is the common difference. Okay. What is the A2 value? 4. A1 value 2. What is the 4 minus 2 value? 2. Okay. That is the first common difference. Next we have to calculate A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. What is the A3 value? 8. A2 value 4. So 8 minus 4, what is the value? 4. So A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. So the given value is not form an AP. Okay. So A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Because the first value is 2 and the second value is 4. So it is not equal. So the given sequence is not an AP. Next, we are going to discuss the second subdivision. What is our question? Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, etc. These are the given values. Okay. First we have to take the first value. A1 is equal to minus 10. A2 equal to minus 6. And A3 equal to minus 2. We have to check the common difference first. Okay. So A2 minus A1. What is the A2 value? That is minus 6. Minus, what is our A1 value? Minus 10. So minus into minus plus. 10 minus 6, what is the value? 4. Next, A3 minus A2. What is our A3 value? Minus 2. Minus of A2 is minus 6. So minus into minus plus. 6 minus 2, 4. So A2 minus A1 value is equal to A3 minus A2. So the common difference are equal only. So the given values form an AP. Okay. So D equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. The value is 4 only. So the given sequence form an AP. What is our question? Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference. So our first value D is equal to 4. What is our next question? Write 3 more terms. 3 more term means we have to calculate the A1, A2, A3, A4 given. No, we have to calculate A5, A6 and A7. Okay. Now we have to calculate the next 3 more terms. Okay. So we have to calculate A5 value. How can we calculate A5? What is the general term formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the main formula in arithmetic progression. Okay. Now we have to calculate A5 value. So apply the 5 value in this N value. Okay. So A5 is equal to A plus 5 minus 1 of D. That is A plus 4D. Okay. So apply the values. What is our A value? That is minus 10. Plus 4 of what is our D value? That is 4. So 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 10, that is 6 only. This is A5 value. Next we have to calculate A6. Again now we have to apply the 6 value in n place. Okay. So A6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1. That is A plus 5D. So what is our A value? Minus 10. Plus 5 of D value is 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 10, 10. That is A6 value. Next we have to calculate A7. So A7 means we have to directly write A plus 6D. What is our A value? That is minus 10. Plus 6 of what is our D value? 4. 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 10, that is 14. So the next 3 term values, A5 is equal to 6, A6 is equal to 10 and A7 is equal to 14. That's all. Next problem, fill in the blanks in the following table. Some values are given, we don't know one value, so we have to calculate that particular value only. Okay. Here A value is given, D value is given, N value also given. We have to calculate the AN value. What is our first solution? A value, that is 7. So A is equal to 7. D value 3. N value 8. We have to calculate AN value only. What is our AN? That is general term formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So we have to apply all the values in this formula. So A value is 7 plus N value 8. So 8 minus 1 into D value is 3. So 7, 8 minus 1, 7, 7 3s are 21. So 21 plus 7, what is the value actually? 28. That is our AN value. This is our first solution answer. Okay. Next one, A value minus 18 given, N value 10 given, AN value also given, that is 0. We have to calculate the common difference D only. Second subdivision, A value minus 18, N value 10, AN value 0. We have to calculate the common difference only. Again use the general term formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is our AN value? That is 0. A value is minus 18 plus N value 10. So 10 minus 1 into D. Okay. So the next step, minus 18 10 minus 1, 9D. Okay. Next, we have to move the minus 18 value to LHS. So that is plus 18 is equal to 9D. We need a D value only, no. So D is equal to 18 by 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are. So what is the common difference value? That is 2 only. That's all. Next question. Find the 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4, etc. One arithmetic progression value is given. We have to calculate the 30th term. Okay. We have to take directly A values, that is first term value 10. Next we have to calculate the common difference. So what is the formula we have to use? A2 minus A1. First term is actually A1, A2, A3. We have to calculate common difference means subtract the second term value and the first term value. So what is our A2 value? 7. A1 value is 10. So 7 minus 10 minus 3. That is the common difference value. We need a 30th term only, no. So A30 we have to calculate. What is the general term of an AP? A equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So apply all the values in this formula. So N is equal to 30. A30 equal to A value 10 plus N value is 30. So 30 minus 1 of D value is minus 3. So 10, 30 minus 1, 29. So 29 into minus 3. Multiply the value. 3 9s are 27, 7, balance 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. So the answer is minus 77. Therefore, 30th term of the AP is minus 77.